So I got this Niagara sheet metal bender, and it's kind of stuck, the adjustment here, so I don't know anything about it, but I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on inside. Sometimes I do this, I get a little bit ahead of myself and open things up I shouldn't, but we'll see. Dental tools are great. Next time you're at your dentist, ask him if he has any he's getting rid of. Mine always gives me a couple. And sometimes people are like, why would you take that apart? Part of it is I want it to work a little bit better than it's working, and the other part is I want to see what makes this thing work. So this is what adjusts it when you turn. It's from over the years, it's just really gotten worn down. What a beautiful piece of machinery. Look at that brass knob. Probably take that off and put a nice wooden one on. That's a joke. Get it? A joke. So this is a little bucket of parts wash I have that I don't even know what it is, where I got it from, but I do know that when you put stuff in it, it cleans it. It cleans it good. So it's some kind of degreaser or something. Just trying to get the heavy crud off it. Trusty little wrench from Hand Tool Rescue. If you don't follow Eric, you should. He does jobs like this, except a lot nicer and a lot bigger. I wish I could bring this to somebody and have them like redo this, but I think I'm gonna need a bigger screwdriver if I wanna. Oh, it came loose. I wasn't planning on taking this fully apart. Just take a look at that mechanism. That's all I really wanted to do. When I tell you I wasn't planning on doing this, I just wanted that little twist thing to twist. Does this look familiar? It should. I hate to use this, but it's the only big screwdriver I have. Now I got no place to put it. Thank you. Oh boy. I'm not going to try to adjust these, but while I have... Oh wow, they work. Unbelievable. I found this grease gun and see if I can get some grease to come out of it. I never know how these stupid things work. Alright, so on we go. Alright, I got 100 years of crud off them. I don't have a regular wire wheel. I just have this Canadian style that mounts this way horizontally, so I have to make do with what I have. Alright, so let's get this back over. Not ready for it yet. And this is why you take stuff apart. Like, I had no idea what these little teeth were. There's a couple little tabs here. These obviously do something. I'll have to figure that out. Okay, I guess this is how you work a grease gun. Okay. We gotta figure out what this thing does. It moves this whole thing inside. See it moving this whole thing in there? I don't know what that's all about. Okay, so this plate goes in there, and then this plate goes on here. And I don't have any extra screws. Are you kidding me? The only thing to do now is to see if it works and just adjust the depth. So I think all this does, it just adjusts it from doing like a tight seam to folding it over. So when you have the bed up, you bend it, seems like it's a little bit tighter. So I hope everybody liked this video. I appreciate everybody watching. I always appreciate the comments. You can follow me on Instagram at Derek from Alden. And if you want to see what I'm going to be making with these sheet metal tools, you're just going to have to subscribe and watch. As painful as it is. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you want to see. If you like this type of video, if you like me making things out of wood, metal, if you have something you'd like to see me make, let me know. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to share, like, and comment. And it really helps me out, and I really do appreciate it. So, thank you. I meant to say thank you. That, by the way, is stolen from Jimmy's brother, John. So he deserves all the credit for all the thank you. That'll be $1.